Hey guys, it's Drew-Chantal. Welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, we're having a Valentine's Day pasta dinner. We are having a salad, heart-shaped pasta noodles, and then we have bread here. This is a top of a sourdough bread, so I just have the lid. And then for the drink, of course, Dr. Pepper. Cheers. So, I was like, which way do I want to eat my pasta? Can you see? Okay. So, let's mix our salad up. It just has lettuce, salt, pepper, vegan cheese, vegan ranch, and cashews. As I was debating if I wanted to have cold pasta or hot pasta, I couldn't decide. So finally I was like, I'll just do hot pasta. I don't think I've ever had these hot pasta noodles before. I always do other things, but let me see if I can show you. They're pretty big too. They're pretty big hearts too. I'll show you guys. Pretty big, huh? I was like, this year, I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm not getting a pizza. I'm not doing bread. I bought these a long time ago. I was in the store in the candy section, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is where they were. So let me get them there for $1.49. I was like, that's fine. That's what I'll do. But I do want to do dessert. And I was like, I don't want to do strawberries, so I have something else planned. And then I'm going to take down the decorations. But I couldn't decide if I was going to make this tonight. I really want soup because it's raining, and it will be raining for the next few days. But I know the soup was going to make too much. And I wanted to eat certain things, so I was like, I'll just do soup like another day. I keep saying I'm going to do soup for like 3 years. There's just so many broccoli cheddar recipes. I don't want a big batch of it. It's so cold, I can't wait to get in my jammies. Just gonna do the dishes real quick. Well, I don't have that much. I think I'll have one, one pot. Like I said, I kept changing my mind. I was gonna put broccoli, I was gonna do chicken. I just kept waiting and waiting, and then it's after 7. Mind you, I've been home. I think I'm around 5 today. Well, no. I got up before 4:30, so I got home after 5 because I stopped at Target to pick up at least 5:30. I'm barely eating. It's after 7. This is the part. I'll put butter on it. This is the part right here. Look at that. These like really fold, and they're so, I still have some in there. I try not to make a lot. Cause like, I don't know what it's about big pastas. It's like too much sometimes when there's such big noodles, big pastas. I meant noodles. Having too big of noodles too much. Then my sister bought these in the holidays. During the holidays, I totally forgot to open them, so you just open them today. So, since it is Valentine's dinner, it actually goes. Oh my gosh, so good. Somebody was making or I was watching a video, someone had a chicken wrap. Looks so good. I could do that tomorrow too, because I already cooked the chicken on my vegan patty because tomorrow I get off later, so I wanted it done. And then I was thinking maybe I could just do like a chicken salad with a dessert, and then or a chicken wrap. I'm not sure, but I don't have a tortilla big enough, so and then I'm trying to go back to the store, so we'll see. But it'll be something with my vegan chicken patty. See, I'm already over the pasta because I was eating some before too. All right, you guys, that is it for my Valentine's Day dinner. Nothing too crazy this year. I really want to focus on doing a good dessert, so I'll be doing that tomorrow night. But I still want to have dinner prepared already, so we'll see what I throw together along with the dessert. What are you guys doing this weekend? Are you celebrating? Not celebrating? It's a big deal to you guys. Let me know in the comments. And as always, thank you guys so much. My Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, of course. We'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye.